Kohima police station team arrested a man involved in snatching ladies' bags from different areas of Imphal by using an infill bullet motorcycle. The arrestee has been identified as 26-year-old Khuraijam Aruba, son of KH Ibotombi of Sagolman Ingudam Lekai. Police also recovered a Royal Enfield bullet and 4 mobile phone handsets. Further investigation are underway. Manipuri cyclist Rohan has set on a 6-month-long solo ride from New Delhi to Tokyo, Japan yesterday. This is Rohan's 6th ride. Khel Ratna awardee Dr. Deepa Malik flagged off Rohan, who will convey awareness on the theme on the rights of persons with disabilities. The ride will take 6 months to reach Tokyo before the Summer Paralympic 2020 to be held in Japan. A team of National Commission for Safai Karmcharis led by its chairman Manhar Baljibhai Jala held a review meeting the previous day. As per media reports, the review meeting was held with the state government officials to discuss the welfare schemes meant for Safai Karmcharis of Kohima Municipal Council in the council conference hall. As a part of the ongoing drive against illegal poppy plantation at various locations of Technopole district, a combined team of Technopole District Police, NAB and 8 Assam Rifles yesterday destroyed about 21 acres of illegal poppy plantation at Machi Hill Range under Machi Police Station. Mizoram Election Department yesterday announced election to village councils in Chakma Autonomous District Council and by-polls to a village council in Lai Autonomous District Council in South Mizoram's Longklai district. According to media reports, the statement was issued by the State Election Commission. The date of polling for 88 village councils in Chakma Council area and Council Veng Village Council in Lai area was fixed on March 13. The Bodoland People's Front announced its first list of 15 candidates for the Bodoland Territorial Council Assembly elections yesterday, scheduled to be held in 4 districts of Bodoland Territorial Area districts. Polls to the 4 districts of Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baksha and Udalguri will be held on first week of April.